Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your Discord user ID, right? So it is not possible to find your Discord ID in the mobile application. So you have to do one thing, you have to go to any of the browser, and after that you have to re-log in into the Discord. So on the Google search bar, just type here Discord. Sorry, I just wrong typed it, and here you have to click on Discord, and you have to click on the three dots which is on top right side corner. Scroll a little bit and check mark on desktop side, so it will get converted into desktop side, and after that you have to log in into this, and it will show this kind of interface, right? So you have to just click any of the chats. For example, let me show you this Rohit, and here I will just zoom out, right? And let me just show you on the chat section, just type anything whatever you want, right? So after that you have to click on your profile icon, right? So you have to just click on the profile icon, and after that you have to scroll a little bit on side, and here you can see the three dots, right? So just click on the three dots here, and after that it will get open, and you have to scroll a little bit. Here you can see that copy ID, right? You can see here below delete message, and click copy ID, and your ID you have got it, right? So let me show you, this is my ID, and this is it guys. So this is pretty easy. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, comment down below right now, and make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.